Good morning, ninjas. It's the first Monday after your installation. Hopefully your excitement is high. It's another day in paradise. And now what? The best way to get the most out of Ninja is to focus on one small practice at a time until you have built the system of habits. This is the first of 9 emails designed specifically for you after you go through your installation. I'm Peter Parnay, Master Ninja Instructor, and I will be one of your guides on the Ninja path. So let's jump right in. The Ninja 9 is the backbone for the entire system. We're going to focus on one habit each week, starting today with Ninja habit number 1, gratitudes. The practice is to wake up in the morning and before you get out of bed, bring into your mind a few things that you are grateful for. This is the first step, if you remember, in the morning routine. It starts your day by putting you in the positive energy quadrant right off the bat. So many of us wake up cranking through the to-do list. And it's easy to focus on the potential troubling parts of your day right when you wake up, but the practice of focusing on gratitude will make your health better, your relationships better, and your business better. So here's an idea. The obvious stuff to be grateful for is your health, if you are, and your family and the good stuff around you. I call that the low-hanging fruit of being grateful. Absolutely appropriate and powerful. The next step towards mastery in this area is to expand your thoughts and learn to be grateful for some of the little things that happened the day before. Learn to be grateful for even the mistakes you made. Why? Because often the best learning comes from mistakes, and isn't learning a wonderful thing? Focusing on changing your mindset from a victim to a player is certainly something you could be grateful for. You could even go big and be grateful for the learning that is created for you by some of the difficult people in your life. So this week, let's all focus on increasing our skills to see more things that we can be grateful about. Do you remember the Sun Tzu quote? Wisdom is not obvious. You must see the subtle and notice the hidden to be victorious. So look for some subtle and hidden opportunities to be grateful for this week. And we are here with you on the Ninja Path. And until next Monday, remember, this stuff works.